Hi, my lovely people. Thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel, PEN254 Mama Nation. This is what I have for breakfast, and I'm doing it because I'm going into London to the carnival. Obviously, if you're new here, thank you for tuning in, or if you've just popped in, thank you as well. And if you follow me all the time, always a pleasure to have you, and I'm glad you're watching me. So today I'm having sausages, bacon, and brown roll with sesame seeds on it, which I usually buy most of my stuff from Waitrose, a supermarket in Britain. I also do some boiled eggs. They're expired, I think, by a few days, but what I do is I literally boil them. I also had plantain, which is a substitute for sugar if you're craving for sugar, like cake in the morning. I love my pastries, but unfortunately, I'm trying to watch my diet because of my age and also my figure. And this is what I buy, the pork sausages. They actually have caramelized onions in them, but you'll see that even when you bake the sausages under the oven, when you grill them, they have so much water. If you notice the foil here, it's actually nice and clean. And by the time I actually cook the sausages, it's all burnt and dry. I also put avocado, which I slice half of avocado onto my sandwich, and the next half of it, I save it for the next day if I'm having it either with my dinner, just to soften my food and make my food nice and digestive. Anyway, so I also like HP sauce, which is a family tradition since I've been in my country, which is Kenya, and I live now in the UK. Or every time I have my breakfast, whether I'm traveling, I like the HP sauce. Sometimes you ask them for brown sauce and they give you a barbecue sauce, but actually in English, when you say brown sauce, it's the HP that comes with it, which I always love with bacon sausage. So if you look now at the sausages, you saw the foil and the plantain there was. It was banned. I forgot about it because obviously I was holding my iPhone Pro Max 13 while I was filming for you and just to show you what I have for my breakfast. Other than that, I want to say a massive thank you as usual for watching me and being my audience and being my subscribers. I absolutely appreciate you and thank you.
Right there on top of the moon, sitting doing nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good. Alone, are we okay? Miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good? Alone, I'll be okay. Miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not.
So you see the plantain cooks nicely when you don't wash the pan for some reason. I don't know why. When you wash it, it sticks. The plantain sticks. So I tend to use I tend to find that my plantain becomes better as I use the same fork. So I'm just gonna cut this one. Yeah, so guys, I've got some Waitrose spread. It's light salted, butter blended with vegetable oil. I have no idea. I don't like a lot. I've scraped some. I leave it for a bit, like 2 minutes, and then then I put my bacon there. I'm just gonna get my sausages. So there's my sausages. I'm doing this because I'm going out. It's so that when I go out, I'm not looking for food. You know, when you go out and you're traveling, you're always looking for food, and recession is here. And it's not, I can't afford to buy food out. I'm just particular nowadays. I don't eat rubbish anymore because health-wise, age, health-wise. Now, this is a breakfast for me, but guys, look, this, my dad, HP sauce, has been in our family for years. So before even I came to Britain, I used to eat HP sauce. HP sauce without breakfast, I don't know guys how you eat your breakfast. Anyway, you saw I cut my sausages because English sausages, especially Britain sausages, they're very watery. They've got loads of water. If you see how the grill over there was clean and then all of a sudden it's brown, that's all the water from the sausages. So when I open it up, I'm grilling the inside to make sure it's cooked. And there is my boiled egg. That's my expired boiled egg. Let's cut it. It was the 25th. Today is the 29th. Look, still perfect. You could still boil it and eat it. Obviously, don't overleave your eggs. I wouldn't recommend to anybody because eggs have salmonella and you can get sick. But I never throw them. I just leave them. So let me cut you the avocado, which you saw as well. And guys, when I was filming, I burnt my plantain. Look, I'm not happy, but these ones were the first ones I put, so they were not burnt. But that's how I like them, for sweetness. So instead of looking for biscuits in the morning or eating sweet things, I tend to fry plantain so I get the sweetness from my tooth, because I have a sweet tooth. I love sweet pastry. That's your avocado, Waitrose. Look at that, green as ever. Guys, I would recommend. I mean, this has been in the fridge for like maybe 3-4 days or even 5. I can't remember when I did shopping last, but that's how it's been there. Oh, so this stone, I leave it, so I'll have one tomorrow. So I usually have one avocado a day, half avocado a day on my breakfast, and then that I will eat tomorrow. It should still be the same. I'll film it if I can to show you what it looks like. So yeah, so that's my breakfast. That's how I have my breakfast, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'm hungry, so I'm just gonna eat, and some salt. So another trick I have is I love pepper. Sometimes when I go to places, don't catch me out, but when I go to places, I nick the salt and pepper all the time, so that I have a small one like that in the house. I put it in my bag quickly. That's not good, but you have to do it. So that's my pepper. I love pepper, black pepper, which I like it like that, and then just a bit of salt. I have a salt one as well, but that's the salt. So the salt somehow seems to be, it's red when you buy it, but then when you keep using it, that's the one I use, fine salt. When you keep using it, it seems to change a different color. So yeah, so that's my breakfast. I'm going to enjoy that with me, guys. And I'm a Waitrose fan. I buy my food from there because everything is fresh. Let me put this margarine back into the fridge. And so that's my breakfast, lunch. So when I go to London, I'm going to the Notting Hill Carnival. I wish to film for you there so we see what it is. My son's never been, so I want to take him. So I've woken up today earlier, but today it's 10:30. This is the time I'll eat, between 10 and 12. I'll drink also plenty of water, which I have here. So it's still Waitrose Essential again with partners. It's mineral water, and I'm going to have that in a glass. So usually I tend not to eat anything else because my body has refused. I've also put on weight because of age, but it's okay. The most important thing is I've made this breakfast. I could have gone out and spent £10 easily on a breakfast, tea, and everything like that. So I've even encouraged my son. I've cooked now so that he can actually has his. So when we go, he's not looking for food. Obviously, if we stop somewhere and we find a bag of chips or rice and beans in the carnival, I'll buy it for him. But I don't want to be spending a lot of pounds when I'm already trying to go into London and show him the carnival. And that's the idea when I go out. I eat in the morning. So I always advise people, eat in the morning, fill up your stomach. So when you roam London, you're not looking for food. I mean, if you're going especially for dinner, it's different. You dress up and then you go, or lunch, you dress up with your friends and you go and you have a meal. Like my other video, there's one African I'm videoing. We went to have a meal and that was nice. In fact, I want to go there again soon because I'm sometimes I will eat out, but not all the time. It's just a waste of time, money, when you can make it at home. And that's how I have it. That's how I have a simple breakfast. Everyone always asks me, what do you eat? Well, guys, this is what I eat. I cook it at home. I eat it at home. You bring me this breakfast, I won't eat it. I need to cook it because I know what I'm feeling and how my body is feeling and what it's craving for and what it likes eating, and just to feel full. And I know that basically I did that. So yeah. So anyway, be blessed, have a nice day, and thank you for joining me. I'll put this video with obviously traveling into London, and bye. Love Mama Nation here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care, be positive, be happy, and let's take care of each other. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.